Are you on the hunt for the best setting spray to achieve that dewy, glowing skin look? If you struggle with keeping your makeup fresh and radiant throughout the day, these setting sprays are perfect for you. Whether you're looking to lock in your makeup or add a touch of glow, we've got 5 amazing options for dewy skin. Let's dive into these best-selling setting sprays and find out which one will give you that perfect luminous finish. Kicking off our list at number 1, Urban Decay All-Nighter. The Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray has become a cult favorite in the beauty community for a good reason. Known for its long-lasting formula, it's designed to keep your makeup fresh and flawless from morning till night. With a reputation for its durability, this setting spray helps lock in your makeup without drying out your skin, offering that coveted fresh and glowing finish. Whether you're facing a hot day or a long night out, this spray holds up remarkably well. Key features. The key feature of Urban Decay's All-Nighter Setting Spray is its temperature control technology. This unique formula helps keep your makeup in place regardless of the weather, preventing it from melting or fading. The spray offers a lightweight mist, which ensures your makeup stays set without feeling sticky or heavy. Additionally, it's oil-free and suitable for all skin types, making it ideal for those with oily or combination skin who still want that dewy glow. Benefits and usage. The All-Nighter Setting Spray extends the wear of your makeup for up to 16 hours. It helps prevent makeup from settling into fine lines or melting, leaving your face looking refreshed and hydrated all day long. It works especially well for oily skin types who might struggle with makeup breakdown throughout the day. Simply spritz it all over your face once you've finished applying your makeup, and let it dry for a smooth, non-greasy finish that lasts all day. Usability. This setting spray is incredibly easy to use, thanks to its fine mist nozzle that ensures an even application across your face. Simply hold the bottle about 8 to 10 inches from your face, close your eyes, and spritz in an X or T shape for optimal coverage. It dries quickly, leaving no sticky residue or unpleasant scent, so you don't have to wait long before going about your day. Plus, it's small enough to fit in your bag, making it convenient for touch-ups. Durability. Urban Decay's All-Nighter Setting Spray lives up to its name by delivering all-day and night durability. Whether you're going through a busy workday or attending a wedding, your makeup will stay in place without needing any touch-ups. Its ability to keep your makeup intact in varying conditions, from heat to humidity, makes it one of the most reliable setting sprays on the market for a dewy finish. In the second spot, we have Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray is designed to deliver a long-lasting, airbrushed finish that blurs imperfections and enhances your dewy glow. This setting spray is a favorite among makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts for its ability to lock in makeup while providing a fresh, luminous glow. Its luxurious formula not only keeps makeup intact but also hydrates and smooths the skin, giving you that flawless look without any extra effort. Key features. What sets this setting spray apart is its iconic magic ingredient, the Airbrush Flawless Complex. This formula uses a blend of hydrating and skin-soothing ingredients, including aloe vera and a patented anti-pollution shield. It creates a light mist that feels refreshing on the skin while keeping makeup intact and providing a soft, glowing finish. Additionally, the spray is free from parabens and is suitable for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Benefits and usage. The Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray is great for those who want to extend the wear of their makeup while maintaining a healthy, radiant glow. It helps prevent makeup from oxidizing or fading, providing a dewy finish that stays fresh for up to 16 hours. It also helps to keep your skin hydrated, making it an excellent choice for dry and dehydrated skin. Simply spray it over your makeup once applied, and enjoy a soft focus effect that blurs imperfections. Usability. This spray has a smooth, fine mist that covers your face evenly, making it easy to apply without disrupting your makeup. Just hold the bottle about 8 to 10 inches away from your face and spritz it all over in an X or T shape for a full, even application. It dries quickly and doesn't leave any sticky residue, so you don't need to worry about waiting long before going about your day. The elegant packaging also makes it a beauty bag must-have. Durability. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray excels in durability, keeping your makeup set for hours. Whether you're in a humid climate or battling oily patches, this setting spray keeps everything in place. The formula's hydration properties ensure that your skin maintains a soft, glowy appearance all day long without any cakiness or fading. This spray is especially useful for those with dry skin who want to maintain a dewy complexion while ensuring their makeup stays put. Coming in at number 3 is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. The Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist is a luxurious and hydrating setting spray designed to enhance your skin's natural glow. Infused with a blend of botanical oils and essential fatty acids, this mist offers an instant burst of hydration while setting your makeup for a dewy, glowing finish. It's particularly ideal for those with dry or dull skin who want to add a luminous glow without feeling heavy or greasy. Key features: Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist is formulated with a blend of rice bran oil, camellia oil, and other nourishing ingredients that help promote skin's natural moisture barrier. It offers a light, fine mist that envelopes your face in a hydrating veil. This mist also contains a combination of Okinawa red algae and green tea, both of which help protect the skin from environmental stressors while keeping it soft and plump. Plus, it's free of parabens and sulfates, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this setting mist is perfect for adding that dewy glow and boosting skin hydration after makeup application. It helps to revitalize and moisturize your skin, making it look fresh and radiant throughout the day. To use, hold the bottle about 8 to 10 inches from your face and spray lightly. It can be used before or after makeup for a healthy glow or throughout the day for a quick hydration boost. Usability: the Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist is incredibly user-friendly, with its fine mist that delivers a delicate and even application. The spray bottle is easy to handle and the mist feels refreshing upon application, giving your skin an instant boost of hydration. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft without any sticky or greasy residue. Its portable size makes it easy to carry around for touch-ups, and the elegant packaging adds a luxurious touch to your beauty routine. Taking our 4th spot is Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. The Morphe Continuous Setting Mist is a budget-friendly option that delivers a soft and dewy finish while helping to set your makeup in place. This mist is popular for its continuous spray technology, providing a fine, even mist that doesn't disrupt your makeup. It's perfect for those who want a natural, radiant finish without spending a fortune on high-end setting sprays. Key features: one of the standout features of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist is its continuous misting technology, which allows for an even and smooth application. The spray offers a fine, lightweight mist that's perfect for those looking to lock in their makeup while adding a subtle glow. It also features aloe and vitamin E, both of which help to hydrate and soothe the skin while keeping your makeup intact. Benefits and usage: the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist is designed to help set your makeup for a lasting, fresh finish without feeling sticky. It creates a luminous effect that's not overpowering, making it ideal for those who want a subtle dewy look. To use, simply hold the bottle 8 to 10 inches from your face and spritz a light mist over your makeup for a refreshing, long-lasting glow. It's great for all skin types and works well for oily skin types who want a touch of radiance. Usability: this setting spray is incredibly easy to use, thanks to its continuous mist spray that covers your entire face evenly. It dries quickly and leaves no sticky residue, making it a great option for those on the go. Plus, the bottle's ergonomic design allows for effortless spraying, whether you're at home or on the move. The formula is lightweight, ensuring that it doesn't weigh down your skin or disturb your makeup. Durability: the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist offers decent durability for its price point. While it may not last as long as some premium setting sprays, it still provides a refreshing boost to your skin's appearance throughout the day. It helps to lock in makeup while maintaining a subtle, glowing finish that stays intact for hours. This is a great option for anyone looking for an affordable, reliable setting spray with a radiant finish. And finally, at number 5, we have Makeup Revolution Superfix. The Makeup Revolution Superfix Setting Spray is designed to keep your makeup in place all day while providing a glowing finish. Known for its ultra-long-lasting formula, this setting spray holds makeup intact through sweat, humidity, and the elements. Its affordable price point and effective formula make it an excellent option for anyone looking for a budget-friendly dewy setting spray. Key features: the Superfix Setting Spray boasts a long-lasting, matte-free finish that's perfect for those who want a glowing, radiant look. It contains skin-loving ingredients like glycerin, which helps to hydrate and lock in moisture, ensuring your skin looks fresh and dewy all day long. The spray delivers an even, fine mist, making it easy to apply without disturbing your makeup. It's also cruelty-free and vegan, adding to its appeal for conscious consumers. Benefits and usage: the Makeup Revolution Superfix Setting Spray is designed to keep makeup locked in place without causing it to fade or smudge. It provides a luminous, dewy finish that lasts throughout the day, making it ideal for those who want to avoid a dull, flat appearance. Simply hold the bottle about 8 inches from your face and spray evenly for a soft, glowing effect. The mist is refreshing and doesn't leave a sticky residue, making it comfortable for long wear. Usability. The Superfix setting spray is user-friendly, with its fine mist nozzle making it easy to distribute the spray evenly over your face. Its lightweight formula ensures that it won't weigh down your makeup or feel heavy. The spray is also quick-drying, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and dewy without any stickiness. The packaging is travel-friendly, so it's easy to take it with you for touch-ups on the go. Durability. While Makeup Revolution's Superfix setting spray is affordable, it doesn't compromise on durability. It holds your makeup in place through the day's activities, keeping your skin glowing without fading. This spray provides great longevity without the need for constant reapplication, making it an excellent choice for long-lasting dewy skin. And there you have it, the top 5 best setting sprays for dewy skin that actually live up to the hype. Whether you're heading to a photo shoot, a night out, or just want your makeup to look fresh all day, there's a perfect option here for your needs and budget. From luxury glow givers to drugstore gems, these sprays have you covered. Don't forget, the secret to that lit from within radiance isn't just the foundation, it's how you lock it in. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and stay glowing.